Good day to everyone, and thank you for tuning in to the channel. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, the do's, don'ts, and strategies you can use to be a successful affiliate marketer starting today. This is the first episode in a ongoing series all about affiliate marketing. Now, the attributes of a good affiliate marketing training and learning program and what it takes to be a high level affiliate marketer in today's climate. Today, I want to talk to you about something that has changed the way people around the world earn income, something that has opened doors for entrepreneurs, stay at home parents, students, retirees, and anyone who wants to build income online. That topic is affiliate marketing. Now, many people hear the words affiliate marketing and immediately think of easy money, quick success, and passive income that appears overnight. But the truth is very different. Affiliate marketing is not a shortcut to success. It is a skill, a business model, and like any real business, it requires knowledge, training, practice, and guidance. And that leads us to the most important question. What makes a good affiliate marketing training and learning program? Because the reality is this: there are thousands of programs available today. Some are excellent, some are mediocre, and some are simply designed to take your money without giving you real value. So today, I want to share with you the key attributes, the essential characteristics that define a high quality affiliate marketing training program. By the end of this talk, you will clearly understand what to look for, what to avoid does, and how to identify training that truly leads to success. Let's begin with the first and most important attribute. A good affiliate marketing training program must be beginner friendly. Most people entering affiliate marketing are starting from zero. They may not have marketing experience. They may not understand technical tools. They may not even know how online sales actually work. So, a quality program should never assume prior knowledge. Instead, it should start at the foundation, explaining clearly what affiliate marketing is did, how commissions are earned, how the business model works, the terminology used in the industry. A strong training program provides a clear, step by step path that takes someone from I know nothing to I know exactly what to do next. Because one of the biggest reasons beginners quit is confusion. When training is poorly structured, students feel overwhelmed. They don't know where to start and they don't know what step comes next. A good program eliminates that confusion. It provides clarity, and clarity builds confidence. The second attribute is equally critical. A great training program must be practical, not just theoretical. Many programs spend hours explaining concepts but never show students how to apply them. But in affiliate marketing, success comes from action, not just knowledge. So, quality training should include real demonstrations with step by step tutorials, walkthroughs of real campaigns, hands on exercises. Students should not just learn what affiliate marketing is, they should learn how to set up a landing page, how to create an email campaign, how to promote a product, how to track results. In other words, they should be able to implement what they learn immediately. Because learning without action leads to frustration, but learning with action leads to progress. Now we arrive at what many experts consider the most important element of all. A good affiliate marketing program must teach traffic generation because without traffic, there are no clicks. Without clicks, there are no leads. And without leads, there are no commissions. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. High quality programs teach multiple traffic methods, such as organic traffic from social media, search engine optimization, video marketing, content marketing, email marketing, paid advertising basics. They don't rely on just one platform or one strategy. Instead, they teach diversified approaches that protect students from depending on a single source because platforms change, algorithms change, rules change, and training must prepare students for long term sustainability, not short term tricks. The fourth attribute is modern relevance. Affiliate marketing evolves rapidly. What worked 5 years ago may not work today. Technology changes, consumer behavior changes, marketing tools change. A good training program must stay current. It should provide regular content updates, modern tools and automation strategies, current platform guidelines, recent case studies. Outdated training can be dangerous because it teaches methods that no longer produce results. A quality program ensures students are always learning strategies that work in today's marketplace, not yesterday's. One moment, please. Here's a quick shout out to OLSPLive.com for the work they've done to help others achieve success in affiliate marketing, and it's free to join. Also, if today's episode has brought you value, please give a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel for more quality content about affiliate marketing. Next, we must look at whether a program focuses on real results. Some programs teach how to sign up for affiliate links, but they stop there. But successful affiliate marketing requires much more. A strong training program teaches students how to choose profitable niches, identify high converting products, understand customer psychology, create persuasive marketing messages, optimize conversions. Because affiliate marketing is not just about sharing links, it is about building value, trust, and influence. Programs that focus on real world earning skills prepare students to build sustainable income, not just temporary wins. Another powerful attribute of a great program is support. Learning alone can be challenging. Students often encounter obstacles, technical difficulties, and moments of doubt. A high quality training program provides a supportive community, mentorship opportunities, access to experts, peer networking. Community creates accountability. Mentorship accelerates learning, and support reduces the likelihood of giving up. One of the strongest predictors of success in affiliate marketing is not intelligence or talent, it is simply having guidance and encouragement during the journey. Next, we consider the tools provided. Affiliate marketing often requires landing pages, email templates, marketing scripts, automation tools. A strong training program frequently includes ready to use resources such as templates, swipe files, done for you systems, checklists. These resources save time, reduce frustration, and allow beginners to focus on learning strategy rather than struggling with technical setup. The right tools can accelerate success dramatically. Another essential attribute is honesty. Quality training programs set realistic expectations. They do not promise instant wealth. They do not guarantee overnight success. Instead, they clearly explain the time required to learn, the effort needed to build results, the challenges students may face. This honesty builds trust, and it helps students stay committed when progress takes time. Programs that promise get rich quick outcomes often lead to disappointment and financial loss. True education prepares students for the real journey. A great training program does not focus only on short term tactics, it focuses on long term skill building. Skills such as copywriting, branding, audience building, marketing psychology, automation systems. These are transferable skills that remain valuable regardless of platform changes. Programs that teach lasting skills empower students to succeed for years, not just months. Finally, a good affiliate marketing training program provides a clear path forward. Students should always know what step they are on, what step comes next, how to measure progress. A strong program shows a journey from beginner first commission, consistent earnings, scaling income. Without a roadmap, students wander. With a roadmap, they move forward with purpose. Red flags to avoid. Before closing, it is important to discuss warning signs. Programs should be avoided if they promise unrealistic income, focus mainly on recruiting others, provide outdated information, lack support systems, offer no traffic training. Recognizing these red flags can save time, money, and frustration. As we conclude today, let us remember this simple truth. Affiliate marketing is not about luck. It is not about shortcuts. It is not about hype. It is about learning, applying, improving, and growing. And the quality of training a person chooses can determine whether they struggle for years or build lasting success. A good affiliate marketing training program provides clarity, practical skills, modern strategies, strong support, and a clear path forward. If a program can answer one simple question, what should I do today to move closer to my first commission? Then it is likely a program worth trusting. I hope this information empowers you to make wise decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and pursue your goals with the confidence needed to succeed online starting today. Also, I like to present to you a program, the OLSP System Pro offering at olsplive.com. olsplive.com. A earn as you learn opportunity that's free to join. Learn more about the program in the bio description around this podcast. Thank you all for your time today and have a great day.